Hello everybody. Today is Friday, June 19th. It's 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the free markets today. We have another video for you featuring the BWT Precision Auto Trader. Before I begin, first the required disclaimer. Okay, we have a real mixed bag on the systems today. We have winners and losing systems. First up is the bonds. It just went short here. There's only a half hour before the close of the bonds. There was two previous trades. These two trades canceled each other out, and it was actually at zero profit, and now it went short, and there's a few ticks profit on two contracts in this trade. Next up is the crude oil on the Precision Renko, and this was going pretty good on this big winner here, and then it went short and then long, and it's right at the close. I basically have the settings here trading about a half hour after the close, so this might break again to the upside, hopefully, and we'll see how this turns out. The crude on the Super Renko 5-tick had several trades today, both winners and losers, but came back towards the end of the day with these three winners in a row to close the day at 420 profit on two contracts. Okay, this is the big winner today. The EMini SP Super Renko 8-tick is just a few ticks away from its first target here. So we'll watch this for a second. It's got an open profit of approximately between 14 and 1500, trading three contracts. This was the big winner yesterday. So here's the trade from yesterday. Want to point out something about how our system works is we are showing this chart in real time, and we use limit orders, so therefore when we look back on the charts, even though this says H, which means this is a historical trade, these trades do not say H here, which means they are taken live in the market in real time. Okay, so anything here is historical. Anything with an H is a historical trade. Anything without an H is a live trade in the market. Even though this is a historical trade, meaning I refreshed my charts, I want to show the screenshot from yesterday's video and show this very same trade here. Notice our entry is 95.50 on a limit, and these were profit targets, so these were actually limit orders when they were hit at 2106, 1125, and 1650 respectively. So here's the screenshot from this same chart from yesterday, and notice there's no H here, so this was from real time yesterday, and the orders were 95.50, 2106, 1125, and 1650, the exact same as shown on the back test here. Well, not really the back test, but looking back, the historical trades match what happened in real time is the point I'm trying to make. Okay, while we're waiting for this, the EMini SP on the 15-minute chart is also short. Once again, a limit order, and we're short three contracts, and there's an open profit of about $1,000 here. Also want to comment that we try to keep things as transparent as possible compared to what some competing vendors show on their automated systems. Remember, the BWT Auto Trader is 100% automated. It's not a signal generator, although if you wanted to use it as a signal generator, it would be easy to do because we have our Ninja Buddy here, and you can easily take the signals by clicking these buttons or toggling the auto trading on and off. But nobody that I've seen in a competitor video or on a website will show the actual NinjaTrader Control Center with the P&L of the trades. Here, your realized and unrealized gains, and notice how ours match our P&L box. So short 3 at 13.1250 on the Super Renko 8 tick. Here's the 15-minute Super Renko 6 tick. So we also show the fact that not all the systems win. You know, there are losing days, as you can see here. And what we have here, these are not runaway losing days, but the systems don't win every single day. Although things can change quickly, we still have an hour and a half to the close of the financial indices. So things can change, but some of these systems are going to wind up pretty good today. Although we do have a few losers, and we're not afraid to show it. Trading systems will have losing days. The trick is to set your profit goals wisely. Many of the systems here, some of them I have profit goals set. Some of them I'm in testing mode, and I deliberately don't have the goals set because I want to see how far they will go, and then I will tweak the strategies. Okay, it's about an hour and 15 minutes before the close of the session. I'm going to let these things play out and see. I'll come back. I may pause the video and then come back and see how some of these positions close. It's about 2 ticks from hitting this first target, and I'm tempted to help it a little bit, but I'm just going to let it trade and see if it hits the target or not. We have a fairly tight stop, only a couple of points here, but nevertheless, the market may spill. So let's see what happens. As much as I know, there's days where I often have no idea what it's going to do without doing further analysis. But just looking at the charts here, I mean, it could sell off and go down and test yesterday's lows, or it could rally and go back to the highs. I really have no clue. It's a Friday. Anything's possible. And that's why we have rules-based trading like this, because most of us do not know what the market is going to do, whether it's going up or down. Okay, we just hit our first target on this chart. The slightest pullback is going to stop us out on this trade. So the stop was brought in pretty tight here. Unless we get a sharp move to the downside, we will get stopped out. Okay, so just waiting to see if we get stopped out or the market pushes down. The EMini SP, that is. Well, amazingly, we're not stopped out yet. And it's about 50 minutes until the close. So I'll be monitoring this, and we'll come back as needed. We'll see how this Super Renko 8 tick on the EMini SP finishes the day. We're going to have some decent profit here. Whether we get stopped out or it gets a little more remains to be seen. Okay, so it looks like we're breaking a little bit lower and our stop is trailing, and we'll see what happens here. So this is looking very good right now. I'll be back in a few.